Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send photo as a documents in iPhone WhatsApp. So first of all, go to your photos and for example I want to send this photo in my WhatsApp as a document. So I'm gonna tapping on this share icon to the bottom left corner and I'm gonna tapping on save to files, and now I'm gonna selecting here on my iPhone and selecting photos folder and I'm tapping on save to the right hand corner and the photo will be saved to my device. Now I'm gonna opening my WhatsApp and I'm gonna opening a conversation here and tapping on this plus icon to the bottom left corner, tapping on document, and here you can see the photo I just saved to my device. I'm gonna selecting this one, tapping on send, and here you can see the photo has been successfully sended as a document. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.